How you doing? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell. All right, today we got another unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So this is a product that may help you if you have a poor wireless connection. Here it is. Asus RP-N54 range extender. So what this product does is it's basically a wireless repeater. It takes your current wireless connection in your home and it repeats it to make it a strong signal. Basically, you put it anywhere that you're having a weak Wi-Fi signal spot, and it will allow you to increase that wireless speed. All right, so let's unbox it. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. There we go. Now, looking at where the package is. It opens from the top. Okay. So, here it comes with a set of instructions and a warranty. This side. So the main thing that that we came here is for this, the actual product, the wireless repeater. So let's take it out of the box. And here it is. Basically, what you do is you plug it in your wall outlet, anywhere where your wireless connection may be weak, and it takes your signal, increases it, and makes it a lot more stronger. It's actually smaller than I thought. Gives you indication by blue lights located at the bottom here on how weak and how strong your signal is. So it uses your existing wireless network, it catches that, and it basically adds further range. See, I had to get this product because I was noticing that some of my PS4 was buffering and my YouTube was buffering a little bit, so I decided to get this to make the signal a lot stronger. Easy installation, you just plug this in and follow the instructions right here. So I'm going to put this back together. I will be installing this later. Alright, thanks for watching. So that's all I gotta say. So, thank you, and have a nice day.
Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.